Hey guys, got a little more serious tool to check out today. This is an electrical terminal toolkit. What are these guys for? Well, they're for repinning electrical connectors. Say we're redoing a wiring harness and we want to swap the red wire for the yellow one. You can't just yank the wire out of there. There's little tabs on the terminal that hold it into the plastic connector. But if we grab the appropriate sized tool from our kit, slide it over the terminal, press down, and if I grab the right tool, there we go. Now we can pull the wire out. The tool basically presses those little tabs on the terminal for you, allowing the terminal to slide out of the connector. You can see the little tabs on the terminal better here. Pretty nifty. Using the proper tool won't damage the tabs like jamming a screwdriver in there would, so they'll still work fine to retain the terminal when we swap the wires around. You get 12 terminal tools in the kit, with gorgeous knurling on the anodized aluminum handles, and each tool has a letter code stamped onto it, so you can put it back in the right spot in the case. Up on the top, it lists off some of the use cases for each of the tools. I don't find this very helpful. I generally just use trial and error to find the correct tool. Mostly I just use the round terminal ones for the GM WeatherPack style connectors. There's also a couple of these double flat blade tools. I think these are for releasing the plastic disconnect tabs on certain connectors, but I don't know, I've never used them. Then we got a cool stubby flat blade screwdriver, also kind of helpful for disconnecting connectors. This guy here is for jumpering the diagnostic connector to pull codes on pre-OBD2 GM cars. Not really much of a thing anymore. And these flat blade guys are for the more old school connectors, like this relay connector. A lot of times you can use a small screwdriver to press the tab, but it's nice to use the proper tool. These have the right thickness to not damage the terminal or the plastic connector. Like I said, pretty nifty. The Proto branded version that I have might be discontinued. They're asking crazy money for it on Amazon, and it's actually cheaper through Snap-on under their Blue Point brand. But I did some more digging on Amazon, and I found this EWK set for $42. These guys might be the OEM for this set, because it's a much more palatable price. And they even have a larger size set with more tools for $75. If you're not redoing wiring harnesses on the regular, I would just get one of these cheapo keychain sets from Amazon. These are under $10, and they support a lot more connector styles. I found these cheapo ones to be fine for occasional use, but they are pretty flimsy and have a tendency to bend, so I like having both styles on hand. Anyway, this was another tool that you may not have heard of before that I found interesting. Be sure to subscribe for more unusual tools. See you later. Bye.